In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Ahun emphasizes on the modernization of Kabul city. The graduation of dozens of special police forces from the Counter-Narcotics Directorate of the Special Units Department. And the continuation of Israeli regime attacks on Gaza Strip. Welcome to today's news package. It's Tuesday, the 9th of Rajab al-Murajab, 1447, the 9th of Jadi, 1404, and the 30th of December, 2025. The news details. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Ahun, the Deputy Prime Minister for the Economic Affairs, at the inauguration ceremony of the construction of a flyover in front of Kabul Provincial Governor's Office, stressed that Kabul city must be developed in a modern manner and based on organized urban master plan. He praised the efforts of Kabul municipality and called on citizens to take responsibility for sanitation and order in the city and to cooperate fully in the implementation of the infrastructure projects. His Excellency also urged the project's engineers to complete the construction of the flyover properly and in accordance with all technical and engineering standards. The Ministry of Interior Affairs reports that dozens of special police forces from the Special Units Department of the Counter-Narcotics Deputy Ministry have graduated after completing military and professional training. Officials at the ceremony marking the occasions emphasized the importance of professional training, the virtue of knowledge, and its role in enhancing individual and organizational capacities. They called on the graduates to apply their acquired skills within the framework of the principles of the Islamic Sharia. The news continuation. The National Statistics and Information Authority expresses that during the month of August of the current year, 9,102 paper ID cards were verified through both in-person and remote processes. Based on the authority, 2,603 ID cards were verified in person, while 6,499 were verified remotely. The authority further stated that during this period, the identities of 205,809 individuals were also authenticated. And finally, the Israeli regime has so far violated the ceasefire in Gaza 969 times, resulting in martyrdom of at least 415 Palestinians and injury of 1,145 others. In accordance with the report by Al Jazeera, from October 10 to December 28, 2025, the Zionist regime fired at civilians 298 times, bombed and shelled Gaza 455 times, arrested 45 Palestinians from Gaza, and destroyed 162 Palestinian residential homes. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.